If you're experiencing login errors on Spotify, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may prevent you from accessing your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. Go to your device's App Store, search for Spotify, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app on a mobile device, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find Spotify in App List, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, it may interfere with your connection to Spotify. Disable any VPN or proxy settings and try logging in again. If the issue persists, consider connecting directly to your internet service without these services. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Spotify support for further assistance. Visit the Spotify support website and submit a request detailing your issue. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. Following these steps should help you resolve any login errors on Spotify. If problems continue, keep an eye on Spotify's official channels for updates or maintenance notifications.